It is July 7th, oil news in 20 minutes. What is oil doing currently on long-term chart? Not much. Oil reached crucial Fibonacci resistance and dancing for the 10th week in a row in massive correction. This is the area that remains crucial resistance. This is the area that remains crucial support with this level in front of you. When it comes to weekly chart, bullish trend simply taking a massive pause. This is not massive sell-off. This is correction only. And this is very crucial reminder that all the levels spelled out by the price since a year ago playing out in front of you today. Bullish rally since January this year, taking a major pause as bullish rally reached crucial Fibonacci resistance and stuck between the levels. Only correction on weekly. When it comes to monthly, price reached crucial Fibonacci resistance. All the levels spelled out by the price since 2008 playing out in front of you today. Only correction on only. Bullish rally reached key level. Absolutely no sell-off, it's only a pause. Next level on oil, 72. No ifs or buts about it. Can oil chop here forever? Absolutely. But once this level is broken, and you must know definition of broken, oil will head to drastically higher levels. And here's the guiding light to day trading. I have not touched any levels on oil since last week. All the levels remain active and remain accurate today. Bullish rally stepped in with vengeance from key Fibonacci support. Currently, bullish rally is taking a massive pause. Bullish rally not far off from crucial Fibonacci resistance. This is very important level. Decision point 2 to the downside. Bullish trend remains absolutely major. This is key support. Market currently in correction. If this support is broken, price will head lower down. This would be magical place to monitor for long from. Bullish trend currently is tired. If price will not break through this Fibonacci support, bullish trend will continue further up to 48.50. Sellers are absolutely weak on hourly currently. Sellers are absolutely meaningless. This is the key support. Shorting into it not an option. But if this support will be broken, this is a key level to monitor for long from, which is drastically better place to buy oil from than here. Because knowledgeable trader understands. Long position must be taken from as low as possible, not as high as possible. This was stunning. This was exact same place where S&P bullish rally played out from. An exact same place where S&P is taking a major pause. We've been here for the last 50 minutes. Just learning this component, just learning when not to trade, changes your quality of life and changes your trading drastically. S&P sitting at crucial resistance, doing absolutely nothing. But if this level is broken, S&P is heading here. As I warned you, you do not want to short this market. Buyers absolutely domineering on S&P, buyers absolutely domineering on oil. I have no idea what oil numbers will be. It does not matter to me. The only reason I respect oil news due to volatility only. Buying in the middle of nowhere here, overextended bullish rally not an option. Buying at crucial support only if rules are met is a very good option. Bullish rally on oil overextended. Bullish rally taking a major pause. And if price will collapse to here, this will be the best place to monitor for long. Only if rules are met, outside of ultimate trend inception. And that's where we are on oil. Overextended bullish rally, just like on S&P. And that's the reason, as we discussed with students, marvelous time to walk away from computer. Marvelous time not to babysit the fluff. Key mantra in the course. When market give you flappuccino, you go get cappuccino or you go get a dog. Walk a dog. Lots of dogs needs lots of homes. No reason to waste your time in life by staring at the screen in untradeable market. And that's where we are. And that's what I warned you since an hour ago. And that's how knowledgeable trader improves his quality of life and improves his trading account drastically by knowing when not to trade. Market waiting for oil news. This is what we're expecting on oil, minus 2.3 ME. Oil unlike any other news. Oversupply means bearish number. Undersupply means bullish number. So more negative the number, more bullish the news, which is unlike any other instrument. And that's what's essential to remember. I have not looked at any of these numbers and I have no idea what they will be. But I know what to expect on oil because price and Fibonacci is the only predictive tool in the market. And this is what we're monitoring on oil. Overextended bullish rally, just like S&P, close to reversal zone taking a massive pause. This will be the end of the minor bearish trend to the downside on oil. If rules are met at this level, we will be monitoring for long. If not, oil will head to here and here next. And this is very powerful reminder. Do not ever buy overextended bullish rally randomly. It will never work. Ever. Your success rate less than 20%. So, oil news in 6 minutes. And S&P reminded you, respect and adore reversal zone. This level been in front of you since yesterday. Most important rule you learn in the course had been met. We expected this. Here becomes a little bit more exciting market. Here becomes more powerful pullback. What a marvelous news. Well, oil news, tiny little shortage, pretty much as expected. And here is S&P. Let's take a look on oil as I will continue bringing it up to you and showing you key levels. Here's a crucial Fibonacci support. I warned you, do not buy here, overextended bullish rally. We will revisit structure on oil, but we are focusing on S&P. Never buy overextended bullish rally. Absolutely nothing is telling me to buy oil now. Nothing. Oil is telling me if this level is broken, oil will go into free fall. Nothing is telling me to take long on oil. We will revisit oil again. So, let's concentrate on S&P, as S&P in very interesting place. Is anybody surprised what a crucial reminder not to buy into reversal zone? Is anybody surprised what a crucial reminder if the end of the minor trend is broken, oil will crash and burn to here? We have actually very powerful reminders that news does not matter a thing. Why in the world is oil crashing if news is as expected? How did we know that this will happen? Simple, price told us so. I have not touched this level since last week. You wanna buy into reversal zone? This is what you get. Clear on that? So, what will happen at this level is extremely important. Will buyers step in with vengeance or will this be only bullish correction? Buyers stepped in from this level with vengeance yesterday. Will they do so today or not? It's all about rules. We will keep an eye on oil. as oil doing the same thing as S&P from crucial resistance. Will buyers step in with vengeance, or will this fluff continue with weak buyers? It's all about rules. Before we close out, let's take a look on oil weekly. Very important morning on oil. Despite oil supply coming in as expected, oil is heading to here, traders. This is weekly chart. Oil is heading to 44 level. Bearish correction is over. This is pretty spectacular push to the downside that started on hourly from reversal zone. No bullish rally on oil. Oil just taking a pause, gave us pullback for 30 ticks. And that's a crucial reminder. Never enter into reversal zone, as I warned you. Oil did not even take a pause at the end of the minor trend. Oil crushed and burned from this area. Overextended bullish rally ended, taking a pause here, heading to this area. S&P not giving us anything spectacular. We've been dancing at crucial Fibonacci support with extremely bullish weakness. We've been sitting here for an hour and a half. And that's where knowledge remains the key. And that's where rules are everything. And that makes a world of difference. If you play by the rules, you know what identifies correction, as S&P been sitting in a brutal one for over an hour and a half. And S&P reminded you clearly, never enter into reversal zone and never short into Fibonacci support. If you know the rules, you know what to expect next, and you know what you're monitoring for. As buyers may pick up this theme, but it's not happening yet. Not now. Price dancing at crucial Fibonacci support, but bullish power remains extremely weak. Cannot short, cannot buy. Bullish rally from here was flawless, from crucial support, from very inception. Bullish rally was flawless pre-market. No bullish rally now. None whatsoever. Bullish weakness across the board. If this level is broken, S&P will head to here. And this will be the key of Fibonacci class and Fibonacci trading bootcamp. As I assure you, we will not be wasting time. We will be concentrating on rules and definitions of trade entry and trade exit. Fibonacci bootcamp is only a couple of times per year. Course is ongoing. We are down to actually one space only, which will be updated very shortly. Bootcamp is part of the course. 2 weeks of drilling trading environment. No second is wasted. In bootcamp you learn more than you learn in years of trading. Bootcamp included in the price of the course. Any questions? Always feel free to contact me. And I highly encourage you, listen to students who trade anything and everything, from stocks, forex options to S&P to anything that has price. Price for entry and Fibonacci for exits. As long as you know when not to trade. As you witnessed time and time again for the last hour and a half. Do not ever short into Fibonacci support. Do not ever enter into Fibonacci resistance. That pure and that simple.